dear MIT student. Our project for the DSD course this semester is that we're developing a parking system. We enable the user to enter the maximum number of cars that can be into the parking. We display the maximum number of cars that the user entered and the number of cars that already entered in the parking. And my friend Suhaila will talk to you more about this.
Hi, I'm Suhaila. I'm a 31-MET student, and I'll tell you how the Altera handle when the cars reach the maximum capacity. It will display full on the 7-segment display, and a light will be turned on, and the buzzer will make a sound.
I'm Hannah, and Mela will tell you more about the components.
My name is Hannah Sharif. I'm a 31 nationality student, and I'll be talking about the main components of this project. We used 2 IR sensors to lab, as well as one buzzer. My friend Mena will be talking now about how these components work.
Hello, my name is Merna. I'm a 31-MET student, and in our DSD project, as my friend Hannah told you, we used the IR sensors that have 3 pins, which are the output, the ground, and the VCC. These sensors work as follows. They detect when an object passes in front of them. When an object passes, it sends a special signal so we can detect that an object has passed. As well as a light, a LED, an LED, which has 2 inputs. One is longer than the other. The shorter one is put at the ground, and the longer one is put at the VCC. Similarly, the buzzer works. It has 2 pins. One is longer than the other, and the longer one is put at the VCC, and the shorter one is put at the ground. We used also a breadboard to be able to put our objects and to initiate the nodes. We used the Altera board to have our outputs on it, and the keyboard just to be able to put the inputs. As my friends told you, the maximum number that is the capacity of our garage. Now my friends Ahmed and Naham will continue to tell you about how the project as a whole works.
Hello, my name is Naham, and I will be talking about the board connection. First, we should have a VCC connection and an output connection and a ground connection for the IR sensors. Therefore, we should start a VCC connection on this board from the Altera board, and on this row we've also connected the VCCs of each 2 sensors on this row, and we did the same for the output and for the ground.
And now after we connect the ground, we connect the keyboard to the Altera, and now what's left is that we start the code. We started on the Altera, so we'll turn on the Altera and we will show you the code now.
Firstly, as we have illustrated, we need to run our code on the Quartus. So I run it on the Quartus, the Verilog, just to be able to upload it on the Altera board. After that, we need to upload the program on the Altera board, so we need to switch it on and add the file. So it is uploaded on the Altera board when it's 100%. And the first thing we need to do is to write a number on the keyboard, which is the maximum capacity that our garage system can employ or can have. Let's say we will write in the first place 6. After we have written the 6, it appears on the Altera board the 6, which is the maximum capacity that the garage can have, and 0 is the number of cars that are currently in the garage. The first thing we need to do is passing an object in front of our sensor, like that. And once the green light is on, that means that the sensor detected an object passing in front of it. And there it appears a 6 and a 1, and this one refers to the number of objects that are currently in the garage. If we do the same thing over and over again 2 times, we have a number 3, which is the number of cars that are currently in the parking. So as you can see here, doing that one more time, the Altera board shows a 4, which means that we have 4 cars yet in the garage. By doing that over and over again, after we have reached the 6, which is the maximum capacity, a word indicating that the garage system is full, as well as the LED is on, and the buzzer is giving a beep or generating this sound. If we try it with another number, for example 7, we have already 6 objects in the garage, and we have 7 as the number of the capacity for our parking. So if we put another car in the parking,